Okay, we found Home Shield coating at the DuPage home show. And we had been considering painting our house because it needed it really, really bad. So we were looking at them because they had this guarantee, a 30-year guarantee. And we didn't want to paint anymore. So we looked into a couple of other possibilities, and one of the things that really impressed me about their coating is that we have cedar siding. We wanted it to look like cedar siding when we were done, and not like just a plastic shield that's put over the top. When we see the final product here that we have, it looks like cedar siding still. It doesn't look like some sort of plastic on the top.
Yeah, and we were very impressed with the crew that came out here, and the amount of preparation work that they did was way above and beyond what we've had before when we've had painting done. Replacing all of the wood that needed replacing and all the caulking and sanding work, just very, very thorough and great crew to work with. I mean, they were definitely a pleasure to have here.
They're professional, they're polite, they're respectful, and they did their job really, really thoroughly. We've had people paint our house before, but with some of the things they found, you wouldn't know that anyone ever painted our house before. So we are really grateful that we found Home Shield coating, and anyone else who wants to get their house done, they should call them because they're awesome.